Curiosity curve. Questions are the answers.
What is bird flu? Bird flu, also known as avian influenza or H5N1, is a viral infection of birds caused by influenza type A viruses. These viruses occur naturally among aquatic and migratory birds. Wild ducks are the natural carriers of bird flu viruses. It is highly contagious and can spread in other birds and animal species. An infected wild aquatic bird carries flu virus in their guts and respiratory tract. They spread it to other domesticated birds who come in contact. When domesticated birds like chickens, ducks, and turkey come in contact with the infected bird droppings, viruses take this opportunity to jump into the new host, eventually making them sick. But the chances of survival of the infected bird depends upon the type of virus they have been infected with. There are two types of influenza type A virus, namely low pathogenic avian influenza and highly pathogenic avian influenza HPAI. Low pathogenic avian influenza may cause mild disease or a drop in egg production, and in some cases may not even be detected. However, an infection caused by HPAI viruses can lead to several other diseases and can be fatal. Some low pathogenic strains can change into highly pathogenic avian influenza strains and become contagious and cause severe illness among birds and often death. Can it spread to humans? Yes, it can happen when people come in close contact with infected birds or bird droppings and touch eyes, nose, or mouth. Some people have caught H5N1 from cleaning or plucking infected birds. In China, there have been reports of infection via inhalation of fine solid particles or liquid droplets in live bird markets. It's also possible that some people were infected after swimming or bathing in water that was contaminated with the droppings of infected birds. And some infections have occurred in people who handle fighting cocks. However, people don't catch the virus from eating fully cooked chicken or eggs.